structured wiring panel should not be installed inside a closed closet. While a single receptacle is permitted in a closed closet, that allowance does not extend to housing equipment like video splitters, amplifiers, and routers within a panel in that same space. The primary concern revolves around heat dissipation and potential fire hazards. Closed closets, by their nature, are enclosed spaces with limited ventilation. Electronic equipment, even with relatively low power consumption, generates heat. The accumulation of heat within the confined space of a closet, especially around combustible materials like clothing, significantly increases the risk of fire. Electrical codes prioritize safety and aim to minimize potential hazards. Installing a structured wiring panel with active electronic components in a closed closet directly contradicts these safety principles. Although the panel has a steel door on the front, this measure isn't sufficient to mitigate the risks associated with heat buildup and potential ignition of nearby materials. The presence of a GFCI receptacle within the panel does provide some protection against ground faults, but it doesn't address the fundamental issue of heat and fire risk. The GFCI protects the circuit and people from electrical shock, but it will not prevent a fire caused by overheating components or faulty wiring. Consider alternative locations for the structured wiring panel. Spaces with adequate ventilation, such as utility rooms, basements, or dedicated equipment closets, are much more suitable. Ensure that the chosen location meets all applicable electrical code requirements, including proper wiring, grounding, and ventilation. If you are unsure about the specific requirements in your area, consult with a qualified electrician to ensure compliance and safety. The electrical code aims to minimize potential hazards and protect property and lives. Adhering to these regulations is essential for maintaining a safe living environment. It's important to remember that even if a particular installation seems convenient or practical, it's crucial to prioritize safety and comply with established electrical codes. These codes are in place to prevent fires, electrical shocks, and other hazards that can arise from improper electrical installations. Always consult with a qualified electrician or local building inspector if you have any questions or concerns about electrical work in your home. They can provide expert guidance and ensure that your installations meet all applicable requirements.